Imagine this. It's July, so it's finally finished in Canada. You're ready for summer vacation. No more homework? Yeah. No more eating early? Yeah. And no more school? Yeah. And then your parents say, "Great news, you're going to school again." This is what happens every year. Every July I go to school in Japan. You might think, more school? But hear me out. It's actually really fun. The school I go to in Japan is humongous. There's about 600 kids in each class and I have up to 40 students. Teachers, doesn't that sound exciting? Art room, a big library, a very big gym, and best of all, a pool. Yes, a pool at school. In Japan, everyone walks. Being driven or picked up by our parents isn't normal. Rain or shine, even pouring rain. One time, the thunderstorm and we still walked. But you do not walk alone. You walk with a group of neighborhood kids. The group leader, usually the oldest kid, helps keep everyone safe. There are also some adults at the big intersection. Have you ever forgotten your lunch? Don't worry, in Japan, it's hot lunch every day. Lunch lady brings the lunch cart right to the classroom and the students serve each other. The food is healthy and delicious. And after lunch, we even have to brush our teeth. One big difference is cleaning. Students clean classrooms, hallways, and bathrooms. Yes, even the bathrooms. The caretaker mostly handles the mechanical and electrical. Students clean the light field. And honestly, when kids have to clean the bathrooms, it makes them think twice before they mess it up. I love school in Canada. It's where I learn with my friends every day. But Japan helps me see school in a different way. In Japan, we walk together, we eat together, we clean together, we serve together. That helped me realize that school is not only about reading, math, and homework, it's also about responsibility, helping each other, and caring for shared places. When I come back to Canada, it makes me appreciate our school even more. School is something we do together. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kaito and I'm grade 4 and I go to Castle Park Elementary. Recently, I won gold in a district speaking competition. At first, I represented the class and then the school. I was a little nervous entering the district challenge, but with help from Mr. James, I felt ready and confident. Because of that, I won gold.